Flip the lid. That sits in the top of the cuvette with temperature sensor. Just drop that into its retainer. If my eyesight works properly. You just pull it out.
And that's it, is it?
That's it.
Gosh, that's very simple.
It is ever so simple.
Yeah, wow.
And there's a lot of effort in the setup because it needs to know the factor index of the things you're putting in it. And you do all of that work, and then you've got a really, really simple thing to do. So for repeated measurements, you know, for measurements where you're doing a series of things, it's absolutely fantastic. And the ability to use the temperature variation.
Oh yeah, tell me about that. What's all that about?
It's magical. Well, you can just set it to measure at a certain temperature. It's got Peltier cooler in there, so you set it.
Yeah.
And you measure the sample at one temperature, change the temperature, measure it at another, so you can see its temperature behaviour.
Temperature behaviour, okay.
Which is really, really useful for dealing with emulsions.
Particles, yeah.
So you can get a really, really good map of behaviour. That's
quite important when you're doing that sort of stuff, is it? Oh yeah, okay. So you're just going to sort of pipette a sample out now, and dry aqueous as that. Yeah.
And it can use aqueous, non-aqueous. Really doesn't matter. You can get flow cell for it, so you can have samples introduced automatically in and out.
Right.
Flushes and we don't need that level of sophistication.
You're not doing hundreds of samples, are you? I suppose.
No, I guess not hundreds and hundreds. The ability to do that is really interesting if you're trying to follow, for instance, the course of a reaction.
Yeah. So you just put it straight back in there now, and shut the lid. And you have to push any buttons here, or?
It's all controlled.
Okay, we'll just walk around here.
Really easy. We haven't been using it for a couple of years. I just click measurement panel. 2 seconds to wait. Here we are. Click measure. Now the measurements can be very quick, but this is just set to run a 60-second measurement.
Okay.
So you can set that from very quick to very long, and this is just something we were doing somewhere in the middle.
Right.